Oh man, nice pair of shoes. Thank you, kids. What's going on, girl? I like your pillow though. Ini ngapain?
Utik-utik. Utik-utik. Bisa kacang hijau.
Good morning, Indonesia. Good morning, the world. Good morning, 2018. Yesterday I was talking to you about coconut, and they are bigger than usual. Then here the boys. Selamat pagi. Well, let's have a look quickly at the size of my hand compared to that coconut. Oh man, she's big. I'm not sure you can really tell just like that, but they're pretty big. So they're canning it and they're going to sell them back in town or whoever wants it. Nice temple. We are in the village of Nice. That's pretty special. Feels like it's pretty special. And lots of coconuts. And today is nice.
Ya. Bentar. bentar. Belum siap siaga.
So they're making charcoal out of the coconut shell. This is Pacarioso. It's probably his son and his second son. They put it in the barrel and they cut out the oxygen and they burn it out to make the charcoal. I know Pacarioso for the last 6 months. It's been good to me. Coconut shell, cut out the oxygen, burning from the bottom. Pacarioso, terima kasih. Sampai jumpa. Hati-hati.
Ya.
So my first word of the day is coconut. Do not stand under a coconut tree. Remember that from yesterday's vlog. Let's talk about the second word today is believe. Believe, believe, believe. Without belief, where we would be today, just a handful of people believe. It's not about money, it's not about success. It's a different way. You gotta believe in ideas that are meant to help this world to be better. So I believe that company, that business slash concept slash unique in the world, kind of, because these kids running on the beach. What a school, man! How many kids would be like dreaming of running on a beach? You gotta believe, yeah. What are they doing? Anyway, it's coming back to believe, 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 believe. You gotta believe in ideas. I believe in that ecosystem. 3 villages that are happy and that really want to work with us, with the concept. Producing amazing flavors, products, to distribute all over the world, distribute in Bali, locally first, Indonesia, and in the world. I believe with collaborators and experts we can create something amazing, protect cultures and traditions, stop the mass tourism. That we can do together. I need your help. Please like, share, subscribe. I'm not going to talk about the donation part anymore. Let's see if it help boost everything else. Now the girls are running. Come on, girls. All right, together, I said, I need your help. We're gonna do a multiple phase, phase 1, 2, and 3. Start with some product. We're gonna do something amazing. I believe it. Believe 2018. It's not about the money. There will be profit. The company will reinvest in itself. But we're gonna protect many, many, many things together. It's going to be amazing. And I believe that a day trade attention, that's something that Gary Vaynerchuk said. Day trade attention every day in my vlog. It's free. You're more than welcome to look at what I have to say. I'm in Bali, Indonesia. Let's work together. Thank you very much. I'll see you tomorrow. Love you. Thank you.